I just got a new phone and it came with this contact charging dock, but it really didn't fit in with the design of my room. So I thought I'd just make something that is a little more suitable. I'm really into two-tone timber at the moment, so I had a piece of purple heart and I thought this will make a nice accent at the top. And I thought if I cut it into a circle, I could place the charger into it to sort of sit in it like a coaster. And so I cut the circle out of it and then cut this piece into some thinner pieces to glue together to make a complete circle. And then this could just go onto another piece of timber. And so I cut this Tasmanian Huon Pine that I've got, but it was a bit too thick, so I resawed it down to a more suitable height. And then I sanded the pieces so they would glue together a little easier. The first step was to glue the top piece into one complete circle. And try and get it even so it wasn't stepped or jagged. And I just clamped these two pieces on top to keep it straight so it wouldn't bend or bow. And it worked really, really well. Then I needed to glue the two pieces together. And I didn't really worry too much about it being lined up because I'd have to cut this into a square later on. Once that dried, I then took it to the table saw and cut it into a square, so the edges were all nice and clean. Then needed to drill a little space for the cable to go at the back, and then I used the bandsaw to turn the hole into a slot. And then I just sanded everything so that it was nice and smooth. And then I cut all the corners with some more sandpaper so it wasn't so sharp. And then I finished it with a pale boiled linseed oil. And there it is. It's fairly simple. I originally had the thought of being able to put another piece over the top to sort of cover the white area, but I didn't want it to be permanent. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take it easy.